aka Jonesy, and welcome back to Live and Date in LA. Let's jump right into this tutorial. I'm going to be following a twist out that I found from a beautiful YouTuber named Keke J. I'm going to be working on freshly washed hair. I washed my hair and I deep conditioned it, and all I did was put my hair into a couple of plaits so it gets semi-dry overnight. I don't want to style on soaking wet hair because it will take days for my hair to dry. We are going to be using a twist out with just a few ingredients. We are going to be using whipped shea butter. This brand's not that great, so I'm not even going to recommend it to you guys because it's not even whipped. Look. Wah, wah. Then we are going to be using water. And we are going to be using the Shea Moisture Curling Gel Souffle, which I was never a fan of. This is why my entire jar is completely full. But we are going to try it out because Keke J's hair was absolutely gorgeous, and I feel like mine is going to turn out kind of good too. We're going to be using a wide tooth comb and my favorite paddle brush. So let's get started. Created my first part, I am going to apply shea butter to the section of hair, and then I'm going to follow that up with the curling gel souffle. I like to work in the shea butter, especially on my ends, because as you've seen in my previous videos, I did cut the ends of my hair, so I'm making sure to take a lot of time and care on the ends of my hair because they are atrocious. I'm just going to work that in with my paddle brush, and then I'll go in with the curling gel souffle and we will create our first two twists. So I have finished the back and sides of my hair, so I'm just going to finish the front section. Just wanted to pop in and let you guys know that I'm loving the way that my hair is feeling. It's feeling very moisturized with just using the water, the Shea Moisture, and the curling gel souffle. My hair doesn't feel very stiff, it just feels super moisturized. So because my hair dries out pretty quickly, I do go back in with my spray bottle that has nothing but just water in it, and I'm going to spray that section with water, work the water through, apply some more shea butter and curling gel souffle, and then I'm going to go in and create the rest of my twists. Thank you, sweet baby Jesus. We are done. As you can see, I did not go for a super small twist out. I just like to do medium-sized twists on my hair. And it's feeling really moisturized and it's not feeling heavy. As you can see, the twists, are pretty bouncy to have Shea Moisture and the curling gel souffle in them. So I'm really excited to see what they're going to look like. My hair shrinks up a lot as it dries. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some bobby pins and I'm just going to pin my twist down to my head. I like to do this especially at the top part of my head to control the puffiness that comes whenever you release your twist. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to apply my bobby pins and I am going to let these dry and then I'll show you what they look like. I'm really excited and I really hope that they turn out well. I have not had the best of luck with Twistouts. Usually they come out a little bit frizzy, or they only look good for about the first day and then they look like crap the rest of the days. So let's hope that this formula really works. I'm really excited to see what it looks like, and I'll be right back with the results. Stay tuned. Hello everybody. So I had to take my twist out the next day because I got a call for an audition. Miss Keke J left hers in for 2 weeks, but I think that I'll still have amazing results even though it is the next day. What's really great is that I did not work on soaking wet hair, so my hair is completely dried the next day. And look at the definition. I'm really loving it. My hair feels very soft and very moisturized, and I am not experiencing the usual onset of frizz that I get when I remove my twists. So we'll continue and see how this comes out. And it was at that moment where I was entirely shook. Enjoyed this tutorial that is easy to follow. Thank you so much again to Miss Keke J. I love that you popped up on my homepage and I was able to follow your tutorial. My hair looks and feels amazing. This is because of you, Keke J. You did this. She is my rock, rock, rock. Okay. Okay. Relax, release. Thank you, Keke J. Thank you, girl. You did this. This is one of the most amazing twists. No, this is the most amazing twist out I have ever had. And I wanted to thank you personally. And this is the twist out formula I will be following from here on out. Water, shea butter, curling gel souffle. For nighttime, in case anybody is wondering, because my hair is so moisturized from the shea butter and I can feel it's not way down at all, but I feel how moisturized it is from the shea butter, all I'm going to do is respray with some water and then retwist my hair and put my silk scarf on. I'm not going to apply more product because my hair is very, very moisturized and it does not need more product at this time. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed it. Make sure and check out my web series. It's here on YouTube and it's on my blog. It's called To Live and Date in LA, and it's about 3 friends navigating their way through the dating and entertainment scene in Los Angeles. It's really funny. The actors are amazing and I know that you'll enjoy it. And you can also follow me on Instagram at To Live and Date in LA, and my blog is toliveanddateinla.co. Thank you again for watching. I hope this helped you. Make sure you leave your comments or questions below, like and subscribe, and have a blessed day. Bye.
gnat and fly on my damn... How the hell you get in the house anyway? Okay. Like I was saying,